Hello Peter, last time you want to purchase a CNC machine to process bone nails. Now we are in our Swiss time machine workshop. This machine is our Swiss time machine RTS32. It's good at for process bone nails. This machine can meet different demands parts machining. It uses head-scraped dovetail guide rail, the special oil guide, and the guide scrape structure with advanced manufacturing. Assembly procedure to make sure machine has a good stability after long time running, to meet with high rigidity cutting demands in textile, automobile, aerospace, for the steel material processing. If you are interested, warmly contact with us.